friends. Hello friends, today we talk about autarky. Autarky is an economic term that refers to a situation where a country is completely self-sufficient and does not engage in any international trade. In an autarkic economy, a nation tries to produce everything it needs, food, goods, energy on its own, without importing or exporting anything. Autarky is defined as a policy or a situation in which a country does not trade with other countries and aims to be economically independent. Examples of autarky. North Korea, modern example. North Korea is often cited as a near autarkic country. It has minimal trade with outside world and tries to produce all goods internally. For example, it grows its own food, manufactures its own weapons, and restricts foreign imports and exports heavily. In historical example, we can take the case of Albania, which was under Enver Hoxha. Between the 1950s and 1980s, Albania followed strict autarky. The government promoted self-reliance and cut ties even with allies like the Soviet Union and China. Third example is of Nazi Germany. In 1930s, Hitler's regime promoted economic self-sufficiency to prepare for war. The country tried to reduce imports and increase domestic production of raw materials like oil, rubber and steel. Now, autarky is rare today. Most modern economies depend on specialization and trade. Countries often lack natural resources or climate for self-sufficiency. For example, Japan cannot grow enough wheat. Globalization has made interdependence more efficient. Pros of autarky. It reduces dependency on foreign nations, can protect local industries and jobs, may provide economic security in wartime. Cons of autarky. Less efficiency due to lack of specialization, fewer goods and less variety of for consumers, risk of shortages and high prices. So, autarky has both merits and demerits.